Let's do a quick unboxing. Excuse my voice, I'm having some allergic reaction, so my voice, my nose is just messed up at this point. So I gave the permission for everyone in this house to use my Sol de Janeiro moisturizing body wash. I gave that permission, but the way the situation is going, I'm kind of like regretting why I gave the permission, because that body wash cost me 51 euro, and I have been very gentle and careful with it, but the rest of the household, they are not. Before I place a rule that no one is supposed to use the topper part of the product in the shower, is mine. The bottom part, everyone can use it, but the top part, nobody should touch it. But then as the kids grow older, I'm very big in hygiene and self-care. As they grow older, I'm like, you know what, you're allowed to use my products as well, because I want you guys to smell good, look good, and feel good. But at this point, the way everyone is just using it left and right, at this point I'm like, you know what, I need to find a solution. Before I came with the topic of no one should use it anymore. So what I did, I ordered some scented body wash from the bougie shop that also have a really nice smell, which I feel like will compensate for them not using my body wash, you know. And so yeah, I picked up some few products from bougie shop, and I want to share it. The kids, they really love vanilla. They love the smell of vanilla, especially my daughter Alea. She loves vanilla, so she really loved the Sol de Janeiro body wash. But the way this girl is going in on this product, I'm like, come on, I just want to help you, but you're misusing the opportunity. So now I picked up some stuff from the bougie shop, so let's unbox it. They're now in school, they're not home, so hopefully when everyone is home, I can finally say no one is allowed anymore to use the topper part of the product in the shower. It's mine. I can finally say it, but I cannot say it because I don't have any replacement. So now that the box is in, I can finally pass my judgment. So let's do an unboxing. I watch on the internet, I've been reading a lot of vanilla scented body wash, and I found this. I saw great reviews on this product on TikTok, and I looked online. I saw that the bougie shop is selling it, and I thought, you know what, let me pick it up from the bougie shop. Okay, I pick up it, and yeah, so they just send you random things. So this is what it came in, well packed. Let's open it. Like in this house, everyone do the double method shower with all of us. Some people prefer to use the raw Ghanaian black soap, which I made into liquid. Some prefer to use the Dove bar soap, the one with the vanilla and shea butter bar soap from Dove. Some people prefer to use the Dettol bar soap, which I have all of them in the bathroom. So we all first do the double method. First you take shower with either the Dettol bar soap or the Dove bar soap or the raw Ghanaian black soap. After doing that, and then you use your scented body wash. So you first take shower, get all the dirt out of your skin, and then you go with the scented body wash, because that one leaves a really nice smells on your body. And then if you can layer it up with a product that has a similar ingredients, it's going to make you smell for a very long time. And then layer it up with some of your favorite perfume, mwah, you smell good the whole day. So yeah, I picked up some products. So I got this vanilla body wash, and I got two because I'm like, because the way these kids, they go through the product is crazy. So I got this vanilla body wash. I saw a lot of great reviews on TikTok about this product, so I decided to pick it up. I'm not familiar with this product. I also saw that they have it at the ASOS. Oh, it's kind of difficult to open. I saw they have it at the ASOS, I can't open it. I find it difficult to open. I saw they have it at the ASOS, but they don't have the body wash. They only have the moisturizer and the body scrub, but the body scrub is sold out. Because I do my own DIY moisturizer, so I didn't find it necessary to pick lots of the moisturizer. So I picked 2 of the shower gel, and then I picked 1 of their moisturizer whip, and then I also pick up 2 of their body scrub. I think that's everything I picked. Yeah, these are all the same smell, so let me just get this out of the way. So this is everything I picked up. This is everything. So first you wash, you body scrub, and then you moisturize. I think everything is the same scent. It's the same scent, so definitely you're gonna have, oh, it smells so beautiful. My daughter loves vanilla. She is a vanilla girl. She loves vanilla. This is so beautiful. I also got her some vanilla perfume that they sell at the Kruidvat. I got it. It was like 2 + 1 free. I got different scents, vanilla, and she really loves it. And so I feel like she's gonna be very, very happy. I got her own body scrub because she has been going in on my own body scrub and it's pissing me off at this point. So therefore I thought, you know what, let me get her 2 body scrubs, because I know when this is finished, this is gonna be finishing very soon. I just see it coming, so that's why I thought let me just get 2. The body moisturizer, I know it's something that she's not going to be using that much, maybe only when she wants to go out, because she likes using the body whip that I make at home from the shea butter and the beef tallow I made myself. She really loved that one. She said it really moisturized her skin, but it doesn't have vanilla scent in it, so I feel like she can use that in the night to moisturize her skin, and then use this in the daytime when she wants to go out or go to school. So that's why I just picked 1 of these. And this one you can also pick it up by the ASOS. So I feel like, yeah, if this is almost running out, I can actually get another one. Yeah, it's not really that expensive. So yeah, this is what I picked up. I've saw great reviews on this product on TikTok. Really, I saw some really great reviews. I'm not familiar with it. I've never used this before, but I thought, since everybody's talking about it, it smells so good, and it wasn't that really expensive. I think this shower gel cost like, was it 16 euros or 17 euros, around that. It's really not that expensive compared to the Sol de Janeiro body wash that cost me like 61 euros compared to 16 euros. So I feel like this is good. So yeah, hopefully they will like it. I know she's gonna love it because she's really a vanilla baby. She loves vanilla. She just loves to smell like vanilla. She loves it, and I'm really happy that she's really loving the self-care and all of those things. The only thing that I don't like about it is that she wanting to always use my stuff. That is what is pissing me off right now. Well, I'm happy that I'm able to get something for them, and I hopefully she love it. And then today, after today, from now moving forward, no one talk apart in the shower, because that is my product. So no one is going to allow using it. So yeah, I'm going to put this one in the shower, and I'll surprise them when they're here. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the smile on their faces. This is going to be so amazing. This is the shower. So I recently picked this shower oil for the kids from the Kruidvat, because everyone has been wanting to use mine, but I said no. So I picked this one up. I think I picked 2 just to have one as a backup. So this is everything that for the kids. This upstairs is my product. This is like a refill, so if this one is empty, I can refill it. So I always like to have it. It's much more easier. So yeah, this is mine, and this is for everyone at home. So this is black soap I made into liquid form, and this is the Dove bar soap and Dettol bar soap. So yeah, now I'm going to put this one for them. I'm going to now put this one for them. because the double shower method is a must. It's something that you must do. It's not an excuse. So you first have to take shower with this, and I will have these hand gloves. This is well, I have these hand gloves for the kids. They find this one to be much more gentle than the African nets, because the African net is really hard, so they don't really like it. So everyone have these hand gloves at home. That's what we use for shower. So I don't know how I'm going to organize this, because this is so big. It's so crazy. How am I going to organize this and put this in a way that everything can just fit? Oh yeah, and the oil can be here or here, it doesn't matter. So now I don't have space for I can put this one on top. No, it's gonna fall. I don't know. Oh, it sticks, but then it wouldn't fall. Yeah, it's gonna fall. Oh, I should look for those ones that you stick on the wall like this. Maybe I'm gonna look for those thing where you can put the bath soap, but then you can stick it on the wall like this, and then you put the bath soap in. I think I'll go to the store and look for those, because I kind of like this set. No, I don't like it like this. It has to be like this. First this, and then this, and then body scrub. So it has to be, and then the oil comes later. So I have to go and look for something. I think I saw something like that in Vibra, where you can fix on the wall and then you can put your bath. This is a black one, but they didn't have it anymore, so I picked the white one. So yeah, this is the setup. I feel like it's much more better right now like this. I hope this is strong enough to hold for a long time. But I also pick up this one. It was on sales for €1. I thought I could fix this one here, which is much more stronger, but I'm not gonna fix it. I'm just gonna leave this one first, and if this one maintains, then I don't need to fix this one. But let's say this one end up breaking or something, then I might go ahead and fix this one in the corner there. But for now, I think I like it like this, you know, the soap, whichever one they want to use. So yeah, this is the setup. I can't wait for the kids to come back from school and showing them that, okay, this is your own stuff and this is mine. Nobody should ever touch this one. This one is forbidden fruits for everyone except me. You guys can touch this one. So I'm looking for a vanilla shower gel, shower oil. I'm looking for one. I haven't seen yet, but I'm searching. If I find one, it will be nice. But yeah, this is it. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. TeamFullest. Peace out. Bye. Doei.